Hello, 8th graders. Here is the PLP work for the month of February. So this month, our section of focus is the personalized learning and work experience section and the extracurricular personal and volunteers activities section. So once we finish with that, we're also going to do an activity called Who's My Team, or you'll update who's on your team from last year. So let's look at the month of February. We have the 14th today to do our PLP work, and then we also have the 28th, and we have a vacation in between there. So if you go to your PLP and scroll down, you are going to see a section that says personalized learning work experience. So if you've had any jobs to date, you can add those in here. And if you've done any personalized learning, like a duo, or maybe you've taken a personalized learning elective, you can put that in here. Additionally, if you've played any sports or participated in any clubs or have done extracurriculars outside of school, then you could add those activities in here. Additionally, go ahead and finish up your middle school 4-year plan, or sorry, your middle school 2-year plan. And then also, if you're an 8th grader, you could start entering in your 9th grade courses based on course registration. Now, once you've finished with that work, the final day in February is to work on this Who's My Team activity. And in this activity, our goal is to identify our community that supports us. So you're going to identify individuals who can help you or who do support you. You'll write their name in this gray box, and then you'll explain how that person supports you or can support you. So you can fill in as few as 4 of these boxes, or you can fill all of them up. And then the final activity here is to reflect on your team by answering these questions. So that is the work for February, and have a wonderful vacation, and we'll see you in March.